Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by installing OBS and opening it now. Don't delay. Once launched, create a new scene and add a display capture source to capture your whole screen or window capture for a single app. Make sure Mac OS prompts are accepted. Go to System Settings, Privacy and Security and enable screen recording and microphone for OBS. Connect any external mic and confirm input levels in audio settings. These steps remove permission blockers so OBS can actually record. Proceed only after you see a live preview. Now organize sources and audio. Add display capture, rearrange layers, and crop with option drag for precise framing. Add audio input capture for your microphone and desktop audio to capture system sound, then use the mixer to set levels. Aim for peaks around -6 dB. Next, open Settings Output and pick an encoder. Apple VT-H264 uses hardware acceleration on Mac, while X264 is CPU-based. Choose one that gives smooth recording. Set a bitrate. Begin by clicking Start Recording and perform a quick test of your workflow. Speak, move windows, and check that audio meters react and the preview stays smooth. Once satisfied, record your full session. When done, click Stop Recording and open the saved file in Finder to confirm video quality, duration, and audio sync. If you encounter dropped frames, no audio, or a black capture, restart OBS. Switch between Apple VT-H264 and X264 encoders, or re-grant screen recording/microphone permissions in System Settings to resolve common problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.